But in Juneau, I went in
Gretchen!
called Invisible World, and I
Lila,
got
come here.
an alpaca sweater, which I've never had an alpaca sweater before. And I was trying it on, and it's kind of a mauve-looking thing, and I had on white jeans, and I had like 3 women come up and say, "Oh, you've got to get that." And one woman said, "Oh, with your hair," it was your hair, didn't it? "Oh, and with your hair?"
That worked there, or?
No, they were just people walking by. I know, so you know that something was, you know, good about that. But I love the fact that my hair lasted till Wednesday. That was wonderful.
Yeah.
The brown one is
on
Lila,
Friday.
the white one is Gretchen.
So,
yeah.
the alpaca sweater.
I got it half
That
right.
one is Gretchen.
Got a big deal on it.
And then the other one is in the bag, which is
Oh,
Lila.
it's a big
So,
sweater, you know, with a soft turtleneck kind of.